I'm not really willing to reflow this motherboard. Hello again to all my friends. I apologize for the voice. I am sick with the common cold. Nothing remotely as exciting as coronavirus, but them's the ropes. This is an HP all-in-one model 310-1020. We're gonna tear into this bad boy. There is one Torx screw right here. The exact size always escapes me because I think it's scraped off of this tool. But anywho, there's a Torx screw right here. You can also use a flat blade screwdriver if you really have to. Because fortunately they realize not everyone will have these silly Torxes lying around. That seems like it is loose, and you pull up and it just comes up. Oh, that was complicated. Alright, here's your hard drive. Should just be able to pull it up. See this handle here? Pull back. Nope, you're stuck. Oh, that's why you're stuck. There is a little screw right here. Phillips head. Kind of buried here. Let me see if I can show you. It's buried in there. You see that? You get the idea. There we go. One hard drive. Set that aside. Now where's the RAM? I need to reseat the RAM in this bad boy. There's no apparent easy access to the RAM, so let's get this stand off of it. Same Torx should be able to access these very large, ooh, geez, very, very large, ugly Torx screws here. Yep. 4 of them, as one would expect. I don't know why one would expect that, but one would. This is very heavy right here. All right, what do we do now? Let's see. What do we do? There's a Torx hidden here. In this vent hole, there's a Torx. There's a Torx. And a matching one here. All right, now how do we actually get it open? Well, that's just bending up the pry tool now, so maybe we stop doing that. It's stuck, boys. Alright, what about over here? Pry here, perhaps? Oh, nope, guess who's missed some? There's another Torx here. Sneaky boogers. Yep, there's another Torx up here. In this top vent. They're black inside of a black plastic hole. So they're actually pretty hard to see. Alright. Where'd you go? There it went. Got it. Alright. Now, for there, it should open. Except for the CD drive, who knows? So we need to get this CD drive out. Probably, okay. This still powers on, so here's the easiest way to get the CD drive out. Plug it in, turn it on, eject. There. Done. Okay, let's look at this. Yep, look at that. That CD drive has two Phillips. Two Phillips right there. That is what is stopping us. You have to eject the drive to see it. Boom. Whole drive comes right out. Good to go. Okay. Also, there is a Torx right there. Does it matter? Not for this. So let's get this out of the way. Okay. Here we go. Look at this. Take a peek at this bad boy. Little exploration is in order. Let's get you a little bit of focus here. That's better, I think. So we have RAM here. There's your RAM. This is where the hard drive went. You have your processor fan here. This whole shield covers the motherboard. I'm hoping we can just pop a few memory clips and put them back in and be done, and it will work. That hasn't always been my experience, so yeah. CPU's probably here. If you need to reseat it, it looks like this cover has one here. I bet there's one somewhere up there. Yeah, there's an arrow saying so. You can probably see. Let's see. Anyway, this cover should be pretty easy to figure out. I don't even see a screw up there. Is it like... Is that the only thing holding it? No, there's one there too. So, we'll put the RAM back in. And hopefully that's it. I'll find out. There we go. Are you gonna work today? Whoosh. Is it a RAM receipt? And nothing more. Does not seem to be the case. It is not working. Nothing on the screen. Okay. Let's do more digging. Remember those screws we found? Let's start taking them out one by one. Oh, where'd you go? I just lost another one. I love it when that happens, don't you? We'll find it later. Alright, that wire is a bit of a nuisance, but we don't strictly need to remove it, so I won't be removing it. Okay, let's try this again. We have a processor here, held down conveniently with 4 Phillips. 4 Phillips. Oh, and they have retainer rings. It's a good day in hell. Retainer rings, yay! Okay. Oh, there's more. I don't know how I didn't see those. Told you I was sick, right? Like right now I'm not exactly intellectually on the ball, if you will. It still feels like it's stuck. I think the thermal paste is screwed. Ah, crud. That's not good. That's not good. If I can't get that to come up nice and clean. Those are separated. The paste is just holding it in. Holding it in tight, too. Oh, God. Yeah, I think I may have figured out their problem. Oh, dear. That's gross. That's really gross. That thermal paste is bad. Very bad. That is a desktop style chip. AM3 desktop chip. God knows if it works. But Let's give it a reseat. 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 Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, God. It's so nasty. Ugh. Got a solution for that. That didn't do jack. Gonna have to do it the hard way, I guess. This has to go to the air compressor, but for now, we're just gonna put it back in place long enough to test. So let's do that. Will a processor reseat fix this? I'm not even gonna bother tightening all of these. I just need it to stay down and not overheat long enough for me to run these tests. So let's put this back so we can hook the inverter back up. Just temporarily put this back. This SATA cable's insulation has ruptured here too. That's not good. Not the best, not the best. I did not need to unhook this wire, even though for some reason I thought I did. Jeez, what a mess. All right, let's hook this up. All right, inverter's hooked up, power. We got us some power right here. Juice it. Turn it on. Do we get a display? Come on, baby, show me something on the screen. Show me something on the screen. You know you want to, you don't. You don't want to, do you? Okay, well. It could be a bad processor. It could be a bad memory stick. Let's see what happens if we take out the memory sticks and turn it on. Do we get a beep? Do we get some kind of noise? Does it get angry? The fan slows down. No beeps. Yeah. Turn things off. I'm starting to think that our processor burned up. So what I'm gonna do is go get a, see if I can find an AM3 chip. I'll be right back. Never fear, I is here. So, pull the inverter again. Pop out this CPU, let's see if I picked the correct thing. So this is why I don't redo thermal grease prematurely. This may end up just getting written off as a total loss, so we'll see, we'll see. Alright. Is this ugly thing correct? I have no idea. But we'll find out the hard way. It's been so long I actually don't remember exactly what is and is not AM3, AM2 Plus. I just don't remember any of this. Is that a no? We dead? I think that's probably about it. I'm not really willing to reflow this motherboard. I just don't want to do it. God, what a pain. Pulling all those wires. For something of this age, this thing having like an AM2 Plus or AM3 socket, it's just not worth it. I'm gonna retrieve my original CPU. Look, I don't even have to pull the inverter wire. Smack the camera, but I don't even have to pull the wire. Yeah, I think This computer's probably just screwed at this point. It doesn't even, it wouldn't do caps lock or numlock lights on the keyboard either, so I'm pretty sure that this machine is just hosed. I don't know exactly what's wrong, but it's probably something with the motherboard. But you know, if you reseat the RAM, you can't get anything out of it with no RAM. Replacement processor didn't do anything. Yeah, at some point you need to give up, and with old stuff like this, this is probably from the Windows 7 era, possibly even earlier, but I'm thinking about Windows 7. It's probably about Windows 7, yeah, so this machine's probably 10 years old, and all-in-ones are notoriously painful to dig up good motherboards for. This was a cheap computer, I bet. It's not worth it. So I'm just gonna have to call the customer and offer them a data recovery from the hard drive, which probably still works. And yeah, that's about it. You know, sometimes you just can't fix everything. Even if I could do motherboard level repair, it's not worth the time and the cost. So this one's diagnosis is buy something newer. And sad though it be to see old hardware go out and into a garbage can, I'm not fixing this one. Alright, have a good one. Hopefully this helps you fix yours, even though I could not fix this one under any practical circumstances. Have a wonderful day.